Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset AGM H6. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset our device, and I will show you both of them. First, and the recommended method is a reset using the settings. So open them up, scroll down, find System, scroll down again, and click on Reset Options. We are interested in the last function, Erase All Data Factory Reset. Simply tap on that. Remember that your whole data will be erased permanently from your device. So if you want, for example, you can create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you everything step by step, so if you want, you can watch that video. And now all you need to do is to tap on Erase All Data. After that, your device will be turned off. Wait a few seconds, the device will be automatically turned on. And the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. When it comes to the second method, it's a reset using the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example, when your whole device is lagged and frozen, basically when you cannot do anything. But when it comes to the reset using this method, you need to remember about two things. There's a chance that when you have your screen lock set, the phone will want you to type the screen lock after the reset when you get in the setup process. It will be like a confirmation that you're actually a user, or it will want you to sign in into the same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. So simply remember about it. And now to enter the recovery mode, we need to power off our device. Hold power button and click on power off. And now to enter recovery mode, we need to use button combination. We need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time, but we need to press only the power button. And after like 1 second, we also need to start holding volume down. Let me show you. I'll grab my phone comfortably. So first hold power button and now start holding volume down. If it won't work, we'll try again because sometimes it doesn't want to launch properly. Okay, you can see that now it's working. It's a little bit dark, but I'll show you how to navigate. To navigate using the recovery mode, we need to use volume keys, and now find wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, and now select factory data reset and confirm by clicking power button. We can see that the data wipe has been completed. Select reboot system now, click power button to confirm, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.